In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to request time off in BambooHR. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to fill out, and how to submit a clear request that gets approved quickly. Start by opening your company's BambooHR site and signing in. Once you're in, head to the home page. If you're not already there, look for the home option in the main navigation and click it. The home dashboard is where BambooHR collects the most useful shortcuts, including your time off tools. On the home page, scroll down until you see the time off section. Here, you'll usually see your available balances and any upcoming time off you've already scheduled. This area is a great place to confirm you have enough hours before you submit a new request. When you're ready, select the option to request time off. A request form will open. Start by setting your from and to dates. These define the exact period you'll be away. For a single day, use the same date for both fields. If your time off spans multiple days, choose the first day in from and the last day in to. Keep in mind that weekends and company holidays may affect how hours calculate, depending on your organization's settings. Next, choose the time off category. This could be vacation, sick time, personal time, or another policy your company uses. Picking the correct category ensures your request draws from the right balance and follows the right rules, like approvals and accruals. Now enter the amount of hours. If you're taking a full day and your schedule is set in BambooHR, the system may autofill this for you. For partial days, adjust the hours to match what you plan to be out, such as a half day. Make sure that hours align with your normal workday and any company guidelines on rounding or minimum increments. Add a brief note to give your approver context. This can be as simple as family appointment or vacation, and you can include any details that help with scheduling or coverage. Keep it professional and concise. It's optional, but often appreciated. When everything looks correct, dates, category, hours, and note, click Send Request. Your request will be routed for approval according to your company's workflow. You'll typically receive a confirmation or notification once it's been approved or if more information is needed. You can return to the home page's time off section to see your balances update and to review upcoming requests. Submitting early, especially for longer absences, helps your team plan ahead. That's it. Simple, clear, and done right in BambooHR.